Hi Bluebirds, how are you? Hope you're fine. So today let's learn other two words with the letter F, and we have an animal first. Here, flamingo. In English is flamingo, and in Italian is fenicottero. You're gonna trace the words here and here, and the image here, and you can color it with a pink marker. The second one is here, flag. Repeat after me, flag. That means in Italian bandiera, and if you want you can color it with the Italian flag colors, so green, white and red. Have a nice day. Okay, Bluebird, let's learn together the English poetry about the spring. Spring, spring is coming soon. Grass is green and flowers bloom. Birds are returning from the south. Bees are buzzing all about. Leaves are budding everywhere. Spring, spring is finally here.